Okay, so I just read about MoGe, this incredible model for 3D geometry estimation from just single images. Can you believe that?
Yeah, I mean, recovering 3D geometry from a flat image sounds almost like magic. How does it actually work?
It's wild. It estimates point maps, depth maps, and normal maps all in one forward pass, like all those details from just one shot.
That's impressive. So it's kind of like turning a simple photograph into a full 3D model, right?
Exactly. And what's even cooler is that they released MoGe 2, which has improved performance and visual sharpness over the first version.
Wait, so the second version actually enhances the quality. What kind of improvements are we talking about here?
They've refined the depth maps and normal map estimations, plus it has lower inference latency. Think 60 milliseconds per image.
That's astounding. Imagine taking a quick snapshot, and within a blink, you have a full depth analysis.
And check this out. You can even input the true field of view to further enhance accuracy. That's such a game changer.
Wow, so it's adaptable based on the images you feed it? That really boosts its versatility in various applications.
Totally. Plus, it supports different resolutions and aspect ratios, making it super flexible for developers.
Speaking of developers, the installation process seems pretty straightforward too. Easy access to this tech is crucial.
Right, just a simple pip install or cloning the repository. No complicated setups, just get started.
Sometimes I think the barrier to entry for using advanced tech can be daunting, but this sounds doable.
Exactly, and once it's running, you can even infer on images using their command line tool. Super accessible.
I love that. Makes me think of how often casual users might find this tech usable for creative projects.
Oh, for sure. Anyone from artists to engineers could utilize it for visual storytelling or design.
And the real-time feedback from working with 3D visualizations could spark even more creative ideas.
It's like opening the door to a new way of seeing the world, since all the maps are generated quickly.
Still processing that it can yield sharp normal maps in a single run. What a technological leap.
I'd love to see how it performs with those 360-degree panorama images too.
Wait, they're doing that? That's incredible. Breaking down a full panorama into perspective views.
Yes, they split the image before inferring and then combine the outputs for a complete view. Ingenious.
That gives me chills thinking about the possibilities. We're really witnessing a shift in imaging.
Absolutely. And let's not forget the community engagement via Hugging Face. The pre-trained models there?
That's a great point. Having models ready to go makes it easier for researchers and hobbyists alike.
And pairing that with the usage examples they provide, it lowers the learning curve dramatically.
Wow, it's like they're really trying to democratize access to this technology. That's a big deal.
Exactly. This could empower so many people to explore 3D modeling without hefty costs.
And what about the environmental impact? Using AI could streamline processes that traditionally take much longer.
Totally. More efficient methods in modeling could lead to reducing waste in industries like gaming, film, and architecture.
That's huge. And this could also inspire new levels of realism in virtual experiences, right?
For sure. Imagine immersive environments that feel as real as the world around us. It's stepping into futurism.
You know, I never fully wrapped my head around how powerful single image analysis could be until now.
Same here. That understanding can shift how we think about 3D design and creativity.
So if we put this all together, what does this mean for the future of AI in creative fields?
I think it means we're only scratching the surface. This tech could open new avenues for collaboration and innovation.
Exactly. And I can't wait to see how other fields will adapt and integrate this technology.
But let's reflect on one last thing, the implications for storytelling in the digital age.
With real-time rendering and modeling, creative storytelling could evolve significantly. Exciting times ahead.
Right? It's pushing boundaries like never before. Can't wait to see what comes next.
Absolutely. This is just the beginning, and who knows how far we'll go. Let's keep exploring.